Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q7 front bumper, updated. Begin by parking on a flat surface and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to disable airbags. Inspect tools and gather 8mm and 10mm sockets, trim tools, and a torque wrench. Remove the front wheels if needed and work methodically from the top, then the bottom, and finally the sides to prevent braking clips or misaligning panels. Use a systematic approach to remove fasteners without rushing to protect clips and painted edges. Start at the hood area and remove the plastic trim push pins, then work underneath to remove splash panel bolts and clips. Rotate the wheels outward for easier wheel well access and take out the side screws holding the bumper end caps. Keep hardware organized and label any unique fasteners for smooth reinstallation. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for workshop floors, offers voice control, and saves time cleaning metal shavings and dust. It's efficient, smart, and worth a look if you want less mess while working on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With most fasteners removed, carefully pull the bumper forward a few inches to reach light connectors and washer hoses. Unplug fog lights and any sensor connectors, then support the bumper as you release the upper mounting tabs by hand or with a trim tool. If clips resist, double-check for hidden screws. Have a friend hold the bumper while you detach the remaining retainers to prevent damage or scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.